Actually, I can be here now. It was amazing. Thank you.
We're all mesmerized by you. You're a voice. You're an angel.
Galit na galit eh, no?
I think you just used the word. You know, a lot of people don't believe in angels, and I think one just landed on our stage.
Inaabang eh, napakatapang nito ni Blue, no? Kinakagat nga kamay ko niyan pagka naglilinis ako.
Beautiful today, especially the very first song that you sang, like how you switch from your chest voice to your head voice, like how you. Sorry, that's my original song.
Oh,
Thank
wow.
you.
That's even more amazing.
It's like a pop song. It was so good.
How was that?
Ang lalaki na. Ang lapad ni Blue. Simula na nilagay ko sa aquarium sa baba. Ang lapad kasi ng aquarium sa baba.
We're all feeling the same thing.